Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome. I appreciate you being here. I know you have a lot of stations, channels you can look at, lots of beauty content you can choose to spend your time with. I really appreciate you spending your time here. Sorry about my cat yowling in the background there. That's just something she does. Okay, so I already opened one Beautylish box, right? So what Beautylish does, they have these lucky bags. They come out December 26th every year. This year they had them out December 26th. Apparently they didn't all sell out, or they had a second go, whatever. I don't know the details. All I know is after the original offering, they did offer them again. When they offered them a second time, my sister bought a box. So this is my sister's box. I also personally tried to buy a second box, and they would not allow me because I had already bought one. So this is a second go of their lucky boxes for the year 2026. This is a standard bag. The other lucky Beautylish bag that I opened earlier this month on my channel, that was an XL bag. This is a standard one for skin tone. What is it? Fair to medium, I think they give you, or medium to dark. So I'm a fair girly, so I picked fair. So it's the same packaging, absolutely beautiful. So happy to have two sets of this wrapping paper. So I will be keeping this wrapping paper whether my sister knows it or not. She knows it. She don't care. Okay, so let's get into it. I have no idea what's in here. I have not opened it up, so I am not going to know the prices as I am going over this. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to readjust the camera so you have a closer view, and I'm going to move the box. All right, here we go. I'm trying not to look. I already saw one thing that I see is a dupe for me. And you know what? That's what happens when you have a lot of makeup. That's what happens when you buy more than one thing. I already got this in my other lucky box, this Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Palette. I know these are $27 because I looked it up for my other thing. This is a duplicate, so I am going to have to decide what to do with this, okay? I'm not going to be opening it and swatching it right now. Next item, I've seen a lot of people open this. I've never tried this, so I am excited about this. This is a I believe it's a Swedish or Finnish brand. Declaration of 7 is the name of the brand. Number 1, slow, small scale production at a sustainable pace. Number 2, select curated ingredients and shades made in small batches to ensure premium quality. It goes on, simple, natural, sustainable. Maybe it's Manasi 7. Maybe that's the brand. I'm not real sure. I'm not familiar with the brand. I have seen other people unbox this. To keep the video nice and short, I'm not going to be looking up prices and things as I go. I will try to add them in when I'm done opening. All over color, currant berry. Okay. Timeless beauty products created with carefully selected natural, wild, harvested, and certified organic ingredients made sustainably in Italy in small batches to preserve premium quality. I know this is, ooh, that is beautiful. I know this is a higher end product. I can't remember. Oh my goodness. I can't remember what folks said this cost, but I was thinking it was like 40 bucks. That's beautiful. And it is an all over color, so it can be used as a blush, which absolutely I will use that as a blush. It can be used as a lip balm. You can use it as, you know, on your lids, whatever. That's wonderful. And happy to have that. Okay, Good Molecules is Beautylish's in-house brand. This is their energizing eye kit. This is the exact same product that I got in my XL bag. So I am not going to open it all the way up, but I will show you what it is. It's a little thing of eye cream, eye gel, which I have, and these cooling eye gel patches. So I will decide what I'm doing with that. You know, this is my sister's box, but I bought it from her. Okay, so it's technically my box. My sister bought it. I'm going to see if she wants this before I decide what else I'm going to do with it, because that is a nice eye kit, but there's only so much eye gel you can use. Not complaining about the duplicates. That's what happens. You cannot complain about duplicates when you're buying mystery boxes. Now, if they put 3 duplicate products in one bag, you can complain about it, but otherwise, no. I have never had anything by Hindash. I saw several people open this, and I thought it was beautiful, so I'm very excited about this one. It's a gradient highlighter by Hindash, Peak Heat, Bronze Radiant. I hope it's not this dark. I hope it's not this dark. No, it's not. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Not too dark whatsoever. Very light, beautiful, very usable. Look how beautiful that is. Just shimmer. No glitter whatsoever. And the shimmer is not overpowering. That's gorgeous. Happy to have this. All these items are luxury prices too. Luxury makeup. I'm not sure off the top of my head how much this is. I'll have to look it up. I was thinking people were saying $50, but I'm not sure. I know this is $24, but this is the like I said, Beautylish's in-house brand, and it is very affordable. My hair's been thinning for some time. I use a red light helmet and do scalp massages and massage stuff into my scalp and take vitamins and saw palmetto and all kinds of stuff to try to keep me from losing any more hair. My hair loss is from several things. I had been quite heavy and lost a bunch of weight, and that took a lot of my hair. And then I developed some thyroid issues, and that further destroyed my hair. And plus now I'm over 50, and if you know, you know, when you get over 50, you tend to become perimenopausal or menopausal, which also the hormones take a toll on your hair. So anyway, this is a density peptide shampoo to visibly thicken and reduce signs of shedding. Thank you. Love it. Not mad at all about getting a shampoo. Usually in Beautylish products, you get at least one hair item. This is the hair item for this. It's not a duplicate. I'm thrilled to have it. And I saw other people opening it, and I was actually considering looking up that product and just buying it. So I'm thrilled to have that. All right, next item. Ooh, you usually get a brush. I got one. Yay. And one I don't have. Okay, this is a Sonia G brush. I'll have to look up, see what kind it is. I think this is a Pro series, but I'm not sure. But it's a Sonia G, and it's a little itty bitty teeny tiny eye brush, which for my hooded eyes is fabulous. I love it. This works so much better for me than the larger brushes. I did get kind of a medium-sized crease brush in my XL Beautylish bag. I love them. I'm keeping it. I'm using it. But this, honestly, this type brush is more usable for people with small or hooded eyes, and that would be me. Okay, last item, guys. I wanted this with my XL bag, and now I got it with the regular one. So you're seeing a happy girl here. Okay, so let me turn it this way just so everybody can see. Hopefully it is the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Blooming Romance palette. I've seen some people open it. They didn't like it, or they had already decluttered it. Other people love it. So it's just your personal preference. Me personally, I love Danessa Myricks. Danessa Myricks and Natasha Denona are my 2 favorite eyeshadow brands. This is a full face palette. Half of it is cream, and the other half over here is powder. So you've got a cream and a powder with everything. And I just thought this was beautiful. In my XL bag, you can go and watch that video, but I got the same palette only in all neutral colors. So it's nice to get the pink color one. All right, that is it for my Beautylish bag. Let me know, did you get a Beautylish bag? If you did you like it? Would you buy one again? For me personally, I think the mystery bags are a personal choice. I don't think they're for everybody. I think the mystery bags, especially, you know, this is a luxe mystery bag. One of the questions I got was something to the effect of, do I think they're worth it when there's so many much less expensive dupes and brands? For me personally, yes. I like luxe packaging. I like the luxe experience, but I don't like the luxe price tag. So for me, this gives me a chance to try multiple luxe products at a price that is far less than what I would pay if I just bought them outright. Yes, they are mystery products. They're not products that I am picking, but for me, I tend to like that because I tend to buy the same stuff over and over and over, and it's good for me to have variety of things I wouldn't necessarily choose for myself. So, you know, these boxes, that it just comes down to a personal choice. And I think the other thing it comes down to is, how much makeup do you have? I now have multiple Danessa Myricks and Natasha Denona palettes, right? So if I know they usually give you a Danessa Myricks or Natasha Denona or a Viseart palette, and that's really all they give you for the bigger ticket item, then at some point, if all I'm getting is dupes of palettes I already have, then it's not worth it to me. And I understand that. And for some people, they don't like, they want to buy what they want to buy. And that's fine too. You know, not everybody likes a surprise or a mystery. For me, that's half the fun. So I do like these Beautylish bags. I do think that this bag was worth every dollar of $100, because that's what this cost. This palette alone is $68 if you go to buy it, and this is 27. So those two palettes, even though I already have this pays for everything. Okay. So for me, yes, personally, it's worth it. Yes, I will be buying next year. Now, if next year, you know, I'm going to have to weigh it year by year. If I start getting so many duplicates of things I already have, then it's not going to be worth it for me. But that's where I stand on that. And I do appreciate you coming by and watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Did you get a lucky box or a lucky bag this year? What items did you get? And have you tried any of these things? And do you like them? Okay, that's all I got to say. I really appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate. I'll say it 900 times. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.